Praise Jesus. Today I've gotten an opportunity to fellowship with the brethren from Mmucu Media Christian Union. I've loved everything in the service, specifically the word that has been spoken by the man of God.
My name is Ruth Mmucu.
I've gotten the wisdom of how to deal and to be and to live with people. One thing is, don't be in a relationship, or don't base your relationship on the perfection, because people are not perfect and therefore have a space for accommodating their weaknesses.
I have learned on how to live harmoniously with others, and that I should leave room for them to make errors so that I don't expect perfection from them.
Hello everyone, my name is Mmucu Jackson.
I was able to be reminded of my first verse to learn in the Bible, the Luke chapter 2 verse 52, about growing in the favor of God and men. And then was also able to learn the scientific, the expansion now in the line of faith, that I should be a Christian who gives space for men in my life.
The best way to live well with men is by gaining favor with God. So it is not the vice versa. First you try to please men and then God, but when you please God or find favor with God first, everything else comes automatically.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Majina ni Brian Bitonga, nampenda Yesu. Mchana wa leo nimepata nafasi ya kuingia katika hekalu la Bwana. Nimefurahia wakati wa maabudu. Mimi kwanza napenda maabudio ya leo yamenipendeza. Ninapenda sana kukua katika ibada ya Bwana.
I am Miriam Wangari Mwaura.
Tumefundishwa kuwa na hekima ya kuishi na binadamu. Hiyo hekima ambapo wanadamu ni tofauti, lakini tunahitaji kuwaelewa na tuwe na nafasi ya kuwapa. Kila mmoja anaweza kosea, lakini kukosea sio kumaanisha kwamba tukosane kabisa.
Watoto harmonious living lifestyle with other people. One thing I learned is that we have to understand that we are all coming from different perspectives, and we got to understand them and learn how to live with them.
Be blessed.